Welcome back to MyAndyBuck.com and the Motivation Moment. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about compound interest. All right, so today we're going to learn how to become a millionaire. And the secret is called compound interest. Listen, compound interest is your friend, especially if you're in your 20s. This is probably the greatest secret that nobody ever tells you. Not in school, very little in college, and a lot of times even the people that love you the most may or may not know about it and may not tell you about it. So I'm here today to share with you the secret of compound interest. You see, when I was a young man, two of my mentors pulled me aside and said, Andy, you need to start putting as much money as you can into your 401k or an IRA. And at the time, it was the 401k for me. You could put up to 10%, and they said, maximize it out. Put all 10% in, and don't even think about it. I said, but how in the world can I put that much money in there? And they said, just do it. You won't even miss it. Well, you know what? They were right. So let me share a little bit of some of the facts with you about compound interest. If you make $40,000 a year, and you put 10% in annually into your 401k, that's $4,000. If you divide that out over 12, that's about $333 a month. So for this particular example, I'm going to assume that you never make more than $40,000 a year, that's the most you ever make in your entire career, and that you put that $333 a month into your 401k or your IRA every month from ages 21 to age 61. So for 40 years, you're going to put $333 into your IRA or your 401k. Now, assuming a return of interest of 8%, which I think would be fair considering over 40 years, there's going to be a lot of economic changes throughout. You may make as much as 10, you may make as low as 5, but probably 8% on average. You will have accumulated somewhere in the neighborhood of just over $1 million when you turn 61 years old. Now, here's the big catch. Let's say you wait. Let's say you wait till you're 31. You say, Andy, I can't afford it now. I've got bills to pay. You wait till you're 31 years old. If you wait till you're 31 years old and put the same $333 a month in, at 61 years old with compound interest, you'll have just short of $500,000. That's a 50% difference in 10 years of getting started and going ahead of time. So if I can give you any advice at all today, ladies and gentlemen, please take advantage of the compound effect. Take advantage of compound interest while you're young. Put that small amount in the bank. Even if you can't afford the $333, I guarantee you you'll make more than $40,000 a year in your life. You can increase that 10 years down the road, but at least put $200 in or $250 a month into your Roth IRA, a traditional IRA, or a 401k. You'll be glad you did. And when you're 61 years old, you can message me, because I'll be, well, let's just not talk about it. But you can message me and let me know how it all turned out. Thanks for tuning in. If you liked what you saw in this video, please like, subscribe, and ring that little bell so that you'll be notified when new videos are uploaded. Thanks so much for watching.